This is not clickbait. It's the worst thing that I've ever tried. So this is like a close-up of my eyebrows and you can see the glue in there. It's literally stuck in there. It looks disgusting and it feels so disgusting. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Canan. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to say that again. I haven't filmed a video in like so long. Especially not one addicted and like especially for like makeup. So I thought of just like sharing one thing with you today. So I went to the drugstore and there's one new product from NYX out and it's called the Brow Glue. Where do we begin, guys? It's not Canan approved. It is definitely not Canan approved and here's why. If you want to see what this glue does and what it looks like on the eyebrows, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is what the package of the NYX Brow Glue looks like and I'm basically just going to unbox it with you. The packaging looks like super sweet. It's like this classic NYX pink and yeah, let's just open this product, I guess. So this product promises us limitless brow looks, style brow hairs and set into place, non-sticky, transparent formula with a precise spoolie for easy application. So I gotta tell you that I'm not very into like using any brow colors or anything because I don't need to fill in my brows like that. I'm lucky enough to have like full hairy bushy brows, so I'm basically just ooh, looks super pretty. So it smells absolutely neutral, no special scent or anything to it, and I'm basically just going to brush it through my eyebrows. It says non-sticky, so we will see. Like it feels sticky. It feels like jelly. And it looks jelly, oh my gosh, you can literally see it. What's that? Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks wild. See that? It looks like drippy. I think I've been using too much product. I've got no clue on what to do. Oh my gosh, it looks white, I guess. Okay, so this is my brow without any product and I don't know what's that, like it's coming off white. Oh my gosh, it looks disgusting. What is that? Oh my gosh, I look like the devil. Oh my gosh, what is that? It's super sticky. Why did they say it's non-sticky? Well, I'm going to try this side now. Maybe I've used too much product, I don't know. But since you can only use this product for 6 months, I thought of just like popping it on. What is that? Oh my gosh, it looks so... Oh my gosh, and it is sticky. It feels so weird on the brows and like in the face in general. Ew, I don't like it. I hate it actually. What is that? You can see all these like white things coming off. Ew! Oh my gosh! I want to return this like immediately. What is that? Oh, ew. It's like so disgusting. Look at it. It's literally like glue. Ew, what did they mix? What did you do? Oh my gosh, I hate it. Oh my gosh, what is that? It's like the texture is super sticky. Why would they say it's not sticky? It's so gluey and it feels so wrong. I want to return this, like... What is this? Looks like the devil's eyebrows. Oh my gosh, I feel like super I hate it. You guys, I've never said that I hate anything from NYX before, but I hate this. I hate this so much. Oh my gosh, I just really wanted to try a eyeshadow palette that I got as well. But with these eyebrows, I think I can't do this. It looks awful, like super disgusting. It feels sticky and I don't feel good at all. It feels like I got some filler up here. Oh gosh, you guys, what is that? So this is like a close-up of my eyebrows and you can see the glue in there. It's literally stuck in there. It looks disgusting and it feels so disgusting. This is the other side, by the way, and it's not better at all. I hate it. I want to wash my face like now. If I had to give this product any stars, then it would probably be 1 or 2 out of 10. Because it only costs €6 and I think that's pretty cheap for a NYX product, simply because like almost all of their products cost around like €10, something like that. And the packaging is cute, I like that. But there is not a lot of product in here. You can only use this 6 months. Also, excuse these like swatches all over my hands and arms, but I did like another video as well. Anyways, Leah, maybe 1 or 2 stars out of 10. Because it's gluey, it's sticky, it feels weird, it looks weird. I even showed it to my mom. I brushed it out now, by the way, using some water and a usual like spoolie. I washed it out, and before I did that, I've showed like my brows to my mom and she was like, what's that? Because it looks weird, I don't like it, I don't recommend it, don't waste your money on it. Unfortunately, because I love NYX, like all of their products are good. Except this one and maybe some others that I haven't tried out yet, but this one, trash, you guys. And that's basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, I guess. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!